If statement in Algorand Python works the same as native Python. If you're not familiar with how if statements work in native Python, definitely check out online Python tutorials and circle back to this video. The conditions of the if statement must be an expression that evaluates to a boolean. Let's look at this isRich method to see how you can use if statements inside an Algorand smart contract. Just like Python, you can create if statements by writing if, a space for a condition, and then the colon at the end. Then go to the next line, indent into this if statement, and define the logic that should run when the condition is true. In this isRich method, we are first checking if account underscore balance passed in as the argument is greater than 1000. If that's true, we're returning the string this count is rich. You can also use elif to define another condition. So in this example, we're using elif to check if the account balance is greater than 100 but less than 1000. If this condition is true, we are returning the string this account is doing well. For cases where you want to cover the rest of the conditions, you use the else statement. Here, since the only case that is not true for both conditions above is an account that has less than 100. So we are returning this account is poor. You can also use ternary conditions. If you look at this is_even example, you can see that the method has a ternary condition that dictates what string should be returned. First, you write the logic that should run when the condition is true. Then, after if, you write the condition that you're checking, and after else, you're writing the logic that should run when the condition is false.